share some videos of the giraffe that we saw on our safari.
Oh my goodness.
No, don't go away.
Don't go away.
Stay right here.
They actually came pretty close to our safari jeeps, so we were able to get some pretty decent shots. I had one of a giraffe licking its eyeball, which I can't seem to find, but they are beautiful, and I was surprised to see how many different colors and shades they came in. I hope you enjoy. This was actually one of my favorite videos. In a second here, you'll see a baby giraffe. There he is. He's running around, and it was so cute and just so organic. This little giraffe was just running around, playing, having such a heyday. And unfortunately, had those bushes in the way, so we couldn't see all of it. But you can, if you look really careful, kind of behind the bushes, you can see him running back and forth. But then he would come and run down right in front of the road. And it was so stinking cute. When this is when, like, maybe a teenager that was running there. There's the little baby, and he just is gonna go off and play for a little bit more. It was so adorable. That was probably one of my favorite little videos that we got on our safari, just to see that little baby in nature playing and running, and all these other giraffe were just in the area just kind of hanging out.